All right. So this is 12 midnight on the 11th of November, and I'm at the location where nyesom Wike demolished. This is the condition of the people currently. See where they are sleeping.
Hello guys, it's about VDR's TV. In today's video, we are bringing you the latest news on ground, and this is about Wike demolition in Abuja. This man really did a lot. I thought when you want to demolish, you will start from like small, but this one is too much. Look at how people are suffering. Everybody's outside, nobody has a place to stay. But thanks to verydarkman that went to this place that Wike demolished, and after going there, verydarkman did his best by sending them some nets so that they can cover their body in the night. You know, as you can see, they're sleeping outside without no mosquito net, nothing outside there. They are really suffering, but thank God for verydarkman that go and see them, and after the investigation you have to go there, have to buy a lot of bags of mosquito nets to share for them. Guys, finish watching the video, kindly like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you all.
See, this is the current situation of things. Make sure you get in. See, look at the elderly. That's the elderly. See? So let's go to where the children are. Got their property. Oh, look at the kids. See, that one. In the cold. See them. See kids in the cold. Mosquito will bite. So what if these children fall sick now? Medicine is no longer cheap. Where you say, okay, you go buy cheap drugs. Medicine, they're very expensive. Do you understand? So move on. Okay. See where people are sleeping. See children. See kids. Okay. Come on, let's see. Come here. You are welcome. See for the guy. See it, Charles. See this one. You are a little baby. See a little baby. This is just, see, come. See? Okay, go close. See mother, see children in the cold. No shelter, nothing.
Look at small baby.
See, look at small baby.
Sucking breast. Sorry.
So, over.
There are many. Go down there.
So, this is just a very humble appeal to the Honorable Minister of FCT and also President Bola Tinubu. Please, Wike, please, if you want to demolish a place, look for a way to relocate the people, or better still, try to compensate the people. You cannot demolish this place and just leave these people stranded like this. Where do you expect them to go to? In this hardship, in this economy where everybody is living from hand to mouth, and see the condition you are putting children. See people, see children inside the car. No shelter, nothing. Mosquito will hit them, nothing.
No mosquito net.
Let's not even talk about the dirty environments, the cholera, the disease that they can pick up. Please, we are appealing to you, Nyesom Wike, that you should do something about it. Please, Nyesom Wike, do something about this. Relocate these people, or better still, compensate them and send them back to their homes or wherever they are coming from. Please, we beg you. Please, thank you very much. Please.
From Maiduguri,
okay.
Some from Zamfara, Sokoto, Katsina, close to us, Kaduna here. And the Niger State very close to FCT.
Yes.
But they meet us here to save their life. We believe that Wike can save our life under the God ruling. We believe that Wike is not a wicked person. We believe that our Excellency President is a person when he is looking the future of children, that they are inviting even foreigners to come and help people with the net and the cholera something, medicine and the other things concerning the health. But let them look the condition. Where is some of our leaders before? They push us in this condition. In the FCT, Federal Republic of Nigeria Center, it's very shameful people to follow their people to FCT to come and rescue their stomach and their life. Some people meet us here, they are collected our clothes to wear because where they go, this kind of banding,
hardship is insurgency, kidnapping, armed robbery.
Then armed robberies and the bandits, especially bandits. In here in the community, we several times are organizing some money to send the people when they pick them from their houses in different locations. So what is our appeal? We are not dragging of the land. From here to boundary of Niger is belong to federal government. From here to Benin Republic border is belong to federal government. From here to Cameroon border is belong to federal government. We are the children of Nigeria. We are the people of Nigeria. For the humanity concern, we are calling their attention to help us. Please. Thank you very much.
Please.
Thank you very much.
Thank you
very much.
Yes. Hopefully, maybe God will touch his heart and then the government will think about the best way to actually assist. Please, hopefully. My work is to just show them, show the world that look at what is going on.
Yes, we are here, more than 15,000 people are living in this community. But I believe if politicians come to meet us, 15,000 people, voters card can help him to be a president, to be a councillor, chairman, and the other.
They don't think like that.
But if they are not thinking,
they only come to you when they need you.
2027, they will look people like us. We are helping them with prayer. We are helping them with our voters card.
Yes.
Where they are taking us. If we not live for our nation, where they want to take us to go.
Yes.
If they don't want us to be belong to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, let us hand over us to Niger Republic. Yes, true. That is.
Because our country,
we are not abusing them. We are obeyed to security. We are obeyed to all what they put it in the law of Federal Republic of Nigeria.
True.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
We are calling the attention of any part of humanities. We are calling their attention to choke their mouth in our matter. We are human beings.
Yes.
I don't know what my child can be tomorrow. You don't know what your child can be tomorrow. You are from poor family. Yes. We are from poor family. Look at us today. God differentiates us that them to be our leaders. We accept it. Tomorrow our children can be somebody.
True.
They want to us, our children, to be more than them. We are not praying for Nigeria that. We want Nigeria to be peaceful country, beautiful country, one, whatever you need it, you will get it in Nigeria. We are not going to foil or gold when they are digging it and other things. Push. No, we are looking for daily day bread.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Please.
Thank you so much. Thank you. All right. Tomorrow. Yeah.
Hey,
Yes, get all these men. I don't want to see them.
You have to do one more time. You guys are going to
wacce aka ba mota saka wuce akwai mutane da yawa za ku samu
Honorable Minister of Abuja, Nyesom Wike. Nobody says you should not demolish. Nobody says you should not do development. But if you are doing development, also try to look for a way to relocate to these people. Because by just leaving them like this, you did for your house. I saw a post that they made. They say Wike said he's going to continue demolition. That's not a problem. But while you are in your mansion sleeping, you cause us a lot of problem in Abuja. Now, if all these people you are seeing like this, if Boko Haram come and offer them 1,500,000, they will join them. There's no way they will not join them. They will join them because the hardship is too much. You understand? So relocate them or compensate them. Think about what you want to do. For this is over 10,000 people without anywhere to go to. Think about it.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.